Today with the 2013 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, interval wipers, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass, cloth upholstery, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.